Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Safeway, take my money. I'm gonna have one of these every day until I die. Excuse me? Hey guys, my name is Emma. Welcome back to my channel. I post every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss a single video. I figured that now is a perfect time to do this video because everyone's stuck at home. I'm sure everyone's missing their favorite restaurants. They're not going out as much, and Starbucks is just freaking expensive, and the line is like 10 miles long right now. So we are bringing Starbucks to your home. I found some really easy, cheap recipes, and you most likely have all of this stuff at your house. If not, just add it to your list the next time you go to the grocery store. I'm excited to be making this video with my YouTube friend Courtney Bond. She's also going to be making a Starbucks video, but she's making totally different drink recipes than I am. So if you want more ideas, make sure to watch her video. It'll be the top link. Send her some love, tell her that you came from me. She makes awesome videos, and I don't know why you wouldn't want more free Starbucks drink information. So without further ado, let's get on to drink number one. Alright guys, we're gonna start off with the Oreo Frappuccino. Frappuccinos are my favorite because I don't like coffee. They're really refreshing, especially as the hot weather is coming around this time of year, and I cannot wait to taste these. Frappuccinos are also one of the simpler recipes, and you most likely have the stuff at home. For this recipe, you do need a blender because of all the ice. It needs to be all crushed together. So grab one of those. I got all my ice here. I'm gonna grab a cup and a quarter of ice. Whoa. 1 cup of milk. Sorry fam, I'm gonna be using up all the milk today. Hope we have more. Oh my gosh. Only spilled a drop. Half a tablespoon of caramel. It'd probably be better to microwave this. Yeah. All right, much better. Caramel's kind of a to work with. Just kind of smear it on the edges there. Calls for 2 Oreos, but I bought the minis because they're cheaper. Oh, they're very mini. I'm gonna say like 4 is like a normal Oreo size, so I'm gonna add 8 and maybe a little extra because Oreos are the best. 3/4 tablespoon of sugar. I'm gonna do stevia though, so it's a little less insanely terrible for you. Finally, 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. Now, I paid $6 for this thing, so I don't have anything else to say. I was just complaining because of how expensive it was. All right, I'm just gonna eyeball it. What did it say? 1 tablespoon. That was way more, but the chocolatier, the better. And that's it. We're just going to blend this all up. Oh my gosh, do you guys watch The Paradise Bartender? Give it a nice good shake, 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 shake. This looks delicious. Nice little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, this makes a lot. Oh my gosh. Let me get my reusable straw here. That is dang good. For the finished decoration, you're supposed to do whipped cream and then crumbled Oreos on top. I hate whipped cream, but I gotta do it for the picture, don't I? I totally do. I'm gonna let my fam drink this anyway because I'm trying to be healthy. Also, I think this chocolate flavor would go great with coffee if you wanted to add like a shot of espresso or something. I hate coffee, so. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna kind of get messy with it. Does not look beautiful. I do have to work fast so I can take the thumbnail with all the drinks in it. So don't mind the kitchen as it gets messier and messier because I'll clean at the end. All right, Frappuccino number 2. We're gonna do a milk and cookies frap. 2 cups of ice. 1 cup of milk. Oh my gosh, I'm spilling all over. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/3 cup of chocolate chips, and 2 ounces of cookies. You could buy Chips Ahoy cookies from the store. Luckily my mom just made some. I don't know how much 2 ounces is. I don't want to weigh it out, so I'm gonna do like 3/4 of the cookie and then save the rest for the top. Need a little more. That's it for this one. Oh, we are really getting messy today. Luckily all these flavors are kind of chocolatey, so it doesn't matter if it mixes a little bit. And blend. Milk and cookies Frappe. Wow, that's chunky. Oh no. There's still a bunch of ice that's not blended. Back in the blender we go. Oh my gosh. This is really thick, look at that. Do less ice if you don't want it this thick, but you know what, they usually come this thick. I just ask for light ice when I do it, because I like them less thick. Where's my straw? Ready? Taste test. Ooh. Dang delicious. Little whipped cream on this hoe. Little cookie crumble. Milk and cookies Frappuccino. Delicious. Highly recommend. Also highly recommend that you take your time and are less messy than I am. It's gonna take forever to clean up, but do it for the vine, I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vine, I ain't gonna do it. Okay, next Frappuccino, last recipe. This is the one I'm most excited for, so double chocolate chip Frappuccino. It makes like a venti size serving, I swear. It makes like enough for that big glass and extra. Okay, 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of ice, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Oh my gosh, I'm just getting everything wet and chocolatey. 1/3 a cup of chocolate chips, 3 tablespoons chocolate syrup, and 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract, but vanilla is delicious. I will definitely put like half a teaspoon in here. If I can open it with my wet hands. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it for this one. Let's get our blend on. This is just a hot mess. Chocolate at the top isn't really blending. There we go. Grab your pint glass, get ice. Just kidding. All right, homies. The double chocolate chip Frappuccino. Honestly, this one looks like the best consistency to me. It's like beautiful, like milkshake. Taste test. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Safeway, take my money. I'm gonna have one of these every day until I die. Excuse me? This is just pure amazing. Add your espresso shot in there if you like. So good. Grab your whipped cream. Grab your chocolate chips. Voila, double chocolate chip Frappuccino. All right, I gave the drinks to everyone. I let them pick theirs. I just want to hear how they are.
Well, this one's fantastic. I love all the little chocolate chip bits in there. It's got good texture.
That one's my favorite, the chocolate chip one.
That one's definitely the most chocolatey, which is great. And this one really tastes just like you dip your cookie in some milk and you're eating it after. So I really like it.
Cookies and cream. Great.
Oh yeah. All right guys, go check out my friend Courtney Bond's video. She's doing recipes involving coffee. So if you need that caffeine boost, go watch her video. I hate coffee, but everyone else in the world seems to love it. So go find those recipes, make them, make yourself happy. Share them with us if you try them, that would mean the world. I highly recommend these Frappuccinos, even though I was really messy, like they turned out delicious, not gonna lie. Have a great day everyone, make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!